This is a brief overview of my 2016 or 2018, can't read it in the tank, ProFlo Jerrit. This came from the Dallas and Morton, which is going to be demolished because the property has been sold. I've modified these before, and they actually flush a lot better when you put a taller overflow pipe in it. And it still needs a good cleaning. It's not terrible. It just needs, you know, some good TLC there. Tank insides. I've put a HydroClean by Danko fill valve in it, and a Mansfield 211 flush tower, and metal Mansfield flush handle. Now, if this flush valve setup does not work the way I want it to, I've got this flush valve to put in it, and I'm using a different handle instead of the stock handle, because I think this style handle looks a lot better on this toilet. So, however, I do think this thing will flush a lot better now that it's going to have a higher water level and more head pressure. So we'll check it out and see what happens. So the last thing I got to do is prep it for installation, and it'll be ready to go. And there's the tank from the Briggs Maelstrom. I was able to save that. The insides were regutted about 2 years ago, and I'll do a brief overview of that once I get that all cleaned up. I have ordered a seat and matching bolt caps for the toilet because it's a bone color, and they're on the way from Amazon. They should be delivered either tomorrow or by the end of this week. That's all I have for you now. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video.